Hello. Today our topic is quadratic equation, and most common question asked is factorize the following quadratic equation. Before that, what is quadratic equation? The format or the equation format is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is quadratic equation pattern, and as per so much of confusion, most of the students get confused about which signs to put: minus plus, plus minus, minus minus, blah 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 blah. So much of confusion. Let us solve this problem as per my favorite method, table method. Yes. Now this is the table which I prepared for you. If the question contains these signs, answer will carry these signs: minus minus, minus plus, and so on. Let us move ahead how to apply this method. Okay, the question is factorize the equation x square minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. First step to do is, what are the signs of question and what will be the signs of answer as per this table. What are the signs of question? Minus, minus, right? So I will write here minus and minus, and go here. If the question contains this sign, minus minus, what will be the sign of answer? Very good, it will be minus plus. First sign is always given to the greater number, and second sign is always given to a smaller number. G for greater, S for smaller. Okay. Now, see the last number. What is the last number? 10. Divide into 2 and factorize in such a way that its addition or subtraction will be 3. Right? The factors of 10 are very simple. What are they? Yes, can you tell me? Absolutely. 5 twos are 10. Very simple. Now, the confusion arises in signs. Let us solve this problem. Which sign we have decided? Minus and plus. So, I will give you a sign minus and plus. Okay. Now, come back to the question. This is just our working part. Here we are going to solve. Okay. Now see what I do. I will write x as it is. And what is my first factor? Minus 5. Bracket. What is my second factor? Plus 2. Okay. I've just corrected this plus because answer has plus sign, right? Yeah, it was my mistake. Okay. Equal to 0. Now first bracket equals to 0 and second bracket equals to 0. So which is my first bracket? X minus 5 was my first bracket, that is equals to 0, and second bracket equals to 0. Right? I am moving ahead now. X equals to, this will be shifted there, so its sign will become plus. So my answer is 5. 0 plus 5, 5. And x equals to 0 minus 2 because 2 is shifted there. So after shifting, obviously signs will change, right? So my answer is minus 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Correct? So these are my two answers. Okay. Okay. I will take one more sum. So what is the first step?